The skin needs a regeneration treatment after exposure to environmental pollution during the day. We present BIOTOPIX POLLUSTOP. During the day, without protection, skin suffers an accelerated aging process. Anti-pollution regenerative night serum, new exclusive formula, high defense. At night, on perfectly dry and clean skin, apply BIOTOPIX POLLUSTOP Anti-Pollution Regenerative Night Serum, and slightly massage to permit its complete penetration, designed with an exclusive combination of 4 natural antioxidant and repairing active ingredients. Serum boosting the biological mechanism in the skin, limiting the inflammatory process and the production of free radicals induced by daily exposure to UV rays and air pollution. Showing reduction of skin oxidative stress by 88% overnight. High defense, protects during the day, and repairs at night. BIOTOPIX POLLUSTOP created by LSI Silderma.